but it's understandable to be concerned that a grave liner may fill with water. Speaking of that aspect, let's get into what happens when water is in the grave. This is something that we run into quite often, and it's completely normal. Whether the cemetery sits with a high water table, or we've had a lot of rain or snow recently, the graves will accumulate water. The ground is full of cracks and crevices that the water will seep into after a rain. And naturally, when the grave is open, the water runs to the path of least resistance, which is usually around a 5.5 foot deep grave. Graves can be pumped before the service begins, but naturally they will probably need pumped again after the service. I prefer to wait until it's time to lower the vault. If the grave is pumped before, the pressure from the water releases from the grave walls, and the grave walls may collapse. So I lower the vault to the water level, we place the pump in, and slowly lower the vault as we drain the water. This also helps raise the water higher in the grave, which makes it easier for the pump to remove. A vault cannot be lowered without pumping the grave, it will float.